Hey friends, today I'm going to show you guys a quick fun tutorial on how to make your own pattern from scratch. Come on. Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to need is copy paper, tape, and you want to make sure you have a really nice pencil. I used to take art class, so this is literally my pencil from art class when I was in high school. I kept it, y'all, because that's how good it was. And then you'll need a pair of scissors. Make sure they're sharp. And then you can use anything for this pattern. I'm going to be using a dress. If you want to do a shirt or pants, you can also do that as well. Just make sure it's something that you actually have on hand, or if you want to purchase it, you can. So the first thing I am going to do is put all my copy papers together to make one big old paper. As you can see, I'm just stacking them on top of each other vertically and horizontally. And I'm making sure it's neat so it can all flow together when I tape all of the papers together. A lot of people are always suggesting butcher paper or sketch paper for patterns, but honestly, this works the best for me, and I have tried other methods, but this is my favorite method, and I'm just sharing it with you guys. If y'all want to use something else, you definitely can, but I'm showing y'all the easy, cheap way that I love to do it. Now that I've stacked and taped all my papers together, I'm going to take the cloth that I am deciding to use, which is a dress. But as I said earlier, you can use whatever you want. If you want to make a t-shirt, pants, and you're going to make sure everything is neat and you can see every single point curve in that design. I like to show off my body type, so I want to make sure I have hips and I'm not looking boxy. So I need to make sure I have it looking exactly how the dress looks, where the waist is put in and the hips are out. Okay, so make sure you're having everything laid out correctly, and you're just going to trace along the dress or whatever you chose for your pattern. And it's okay if you mess up, but make sure you leave a 1-inch seam allowance, because you don't want your clothes to be too tight or way too big. But I would rather my clothes be too big than too tight, because you can always fix it easier when it's too big. When it's too tight, it's a little extra work. So just make sure you leave that 1-inch seam allowance. Now that I've traced everything, even if you traced a little ugly, you can always fix it with the scissors by cutting off more. And if the tape is not taped correctly, you can always add more tape. So that's the best part about this. You're doing everything yourself and you're able to adjust as you go. I always have to cut a little bit off to make sure everything's even. Like, as you can see, the shoulders were a little bit different, so I had to cut excess off. And it is okay if you have to do that, because sometimes we're not the best artists. This is how it came out. It's actually really, really cute. I might use this, I might not, because I have a lot of dresses, but look how easy that was. And then if you want to hang it up so you don't ruin it, you'll just cut a little bit of hole in the middle, and then you'll put it on a hanger, and boom, it's that simple. Hang it up, and you can use it as much as you want. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what kind of other videos you guys are interested in seeing this year. Thank you.